Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Mazda 6 battery. Start by confirming the car is secure and powered down to avoid shocks. Disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent sparks, then the positive. Keep tools organized, note the battery orientation, and inspect cables for corrosion. Clean any buildup with a brush and baking soda solution. When installing the new battery, tighten terminals snugly and verify the vehicle starts smoothly. Gather the right tools before you lift the hood to save time and frustration. A 10mm and 12mm wrench or socket will handle most Mazda 6 battery clamps and hold downs. Use a terminal brush and baking soda paste to remove corrosion safely, and consider a memory saver to retain electronic presets. Keep a rag and gloves handy, and lay a cardboard sheet to protect paint while handling the battery. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait for parts, with a glare-free display and long battery life. It's lightweight and perfect for the garage or workshop visits, so consider it as a helpful companion. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin removal by loosening the negative terminal, then the positive, to reduce short risks. Remove the hold-down bracket and lift the battery out with both hands, keeping it upright to avoid spills. Compare the old battery to the new one for size and terminal placement before installing. Clean the tray area and terminals, then place the new battery in position, secure the clamp, and reconnect the positive then negative terminals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.